Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next pair of shoes from Dream Pairs to go ahead and show you all the cool features, and that's what I'm going to do. Check out these super chunky, funky summer sandals. These are what you want to be wearing all summer long if you want to be cool and cool. You can see right now, I'll just kind of go through all the little features. One, the sole itself is a rubberized sole with a little bit of a tread on it, so it's kind of a grippy tread, so that feels good for walking. The heel itself, the whole shoe itself, is a giant platform, as you can see, about 1 inch right there. It is padded. It's not super padded. It's not super gushy. Does have plenty of support. As you can see, the heel is raised up a little bit, where the toe is actually down against the platform, but the heel is raised up. And then all of these straps, yes, they are kind of elastic. There's elastic here, elastic here. This is a little less elastic. It's kind of to hold your foot in place. But you can see it just looks really, really nice. You put your ankle in there. It really looks really nice. My wife wore these for a little bit around the house. She thought they were very, very comfortable. She was actually surprised how comfortable they were because she's not a big person who likes chunky shoes, but she really kind of liked them and she liked the extra height. They are great for summer. They do come in different colors. They are kind of a fashion statement as well. These are the sorts of things you'd wear with kind of a summer dress or around the pool. Maybe you might go ahead and go on a cruise or vacation. These are vacation shoes. These are the shoes that you want to have just for kind of palling around, hanging out, kind of a casual yet dressy look. They really are very nice looking shoes. My wife says they're very comfortable, and I tend to agree with her because she actually didn't complain about them. But they really do look very, very nice. They're very good shoes. They're great for summer.